Hello guys, welcome to our little steps. In this video, we are sharing with you our review and tour of Hotel Oriental Express Osaka Shinsaibashi. Follow along as we share with you our room for 2+1 and other amenities you can enjoy. The hotel is a 3-minute walk from Shinsaibashi Station and is conveniently located near the Shinsaibashisuji Shopping Arcade. All guest rooms are non-smoking. And the second floor houses a coin laundry, vending machine, ice machine, and there's also a cafe space on the first floor. Watch until the end of the video to learn the major points why we booked this hotel. Let's go! Ayan, so aalis na kami today ng Hotel Orient Express and dilipat kami sa Tokyo. So, we're going to stay at Hotel Grassery and pakita ko lang sa inyo yung hallway ng Hotel Orient Express. And super accessible niya with kids, and even if you're traveling with people on a wheelchair, you can also stay here kasi even yung buttons nila ay mindfully designed for them. Ayan, so meron ganyan. Meron siyang mababa and mataas na buttons. So it's very, very quiet. Ayan siya room. And every day, naglilinis sila ng rooms. So, ito yung VOD ticket. Meron silang video on demand if gusto nyo manood ng mga movies. Yan, 1,000 yen. And ito yung mga plan ironing board. Ayan. So, bababa na kami sa lobby para mag-check out. Ayan, dito na tayo sa lobby. So, ito yung cafeteria. Iwan muna natin ang gamit dito. So, cafeteria, and meron silang coffee, free every day. Ayan, so, hindi na ako nakapag-video ng coffee area kasi may mga gumagamit for privacy reason, pero do know na libre sila, libre coffee, and you can get it for free every day, I think up until 10 p.m. And so meron ditong free na mga toiletries, pwede mong gamitin, kuha kayo if you need. And hairbrush, shaver, cotton, and hair tie. Hindi na ako ng cotton and hair tie. Kuha tayo ng cotton and hair tie. So, meron silang shower cap and cotton. And so, it's bye! Janet! And so it's a very, very good place to stay, Hotel Orient Express. And the neighborhood is also super great. Super lapit niya sa Shinsaibashi shopping street. So, kung mag-rent kayo ng car dito sa Japan, don't worry, meron din silang parking for hotel guests. Ayan, so baka hindi nyo nakita nung gabi kasi madilim. Ayan yung ayan siya, ganyan siya kataas. So parang I think 11 floors. Yan, and next kami dun sa 9th floor facing that side. So kita namin yung Shinsaibashi Street. And it's a very, very good place to stay for couples, family, group of travelers, friends. Walang label. It's complicated. Ayan, so pero for parents with toddlers, it's a very good place to stay. Then, pakita na din namin sa inyo yung neighborhood namin while we're at it. Ayan, so ito yung neighborhood, kaya siya tahimik din. Wala masyadong pubs or izakayas kasi meron ditong kindergarten. Ayan, may school dito sa tabi. Yan, at saka yung sa kabila, magkatapat siya na schools ng mga bagets. So, ayan. Meron ditong kainan, massage, spa. And yung favorite part namin dito sa neighborhood actually is kung nandito kayo sa Osaka to eat yung mga authentic Osaka dishes like okonomiyaki. Merong kapitbahay na okonomiyaki store dito. And yung okonomiyaki store, meron siyang katabi na Wagyu grilling place. May niku-niku. Ayan, so Wagyu Yakiniku Yasu. May katabi na okonomiyaki. And may katabi na alhasan kung bet yung bumili. 11 o'clock pa bukas. Kakain ba tayo dyan? Natami tindihan ng mga bags sa mga mahilig mamili ng bags. Sandamakmak na vending machine. Kailangan lang mag look left and right pagtawid kasi it's still a street. And ito may katabing Family Mart. Ito pa, ang malupit. Wala pa tayong 5 minutes naglalakad. Makakarating na kayo dito sa main Shinsaibashi. Tada! And malapit sa ramen, Ippudo, may Coco na curry house, omuraisu, may McDonald's sa banda doon, Hoshino Coffee, itong tonkatsu. Ayan. So, dito sa Family Mart na to, sa may kanto lang siya malapit sa Hotel Orient. Pag morning, may bili kami ng 2 liters ng water for 100 something yan. So, basically, mga 50 pesos or mga $1. 1 Singapore dollar. So, yun na yung ginagamit namin for the day.